Good day, students. Welcome back to Advocate Babu Saheb Bhonde High School. Children, he is Ronak and they are his parents. His mother telling him that, Ronak, can you please bring a milk packet? Children, tell me what Ronak will say. Yes, Ronak will ask about money. Without money, he can't buy anything. Yes, children, money means rupees and coins. So today we will learn more about Indian coins and rupees. Today we are in a class of mathematics. Topic: do you know notes and coins? From your mathematics textbook, page number 56 and 57. Children, money is available in the form of notes and coins. These all are notes, or you can call it as currency, and these all are coins. And this is the symbol of Indian rupee that we can see in any currency note or in any coin, the value or denomination before the value or denomination. Money is in a form of coins and notes. So now we will look upon some coins and notes. Here, this is a 1 rupee coin, and the value of the coin which is written on the coin, that is 1, means the value of 1 rupee coin is 1 rupees. And the next one is, this is 2 rupees coin, and the value of coin of 2 rupees is written on that coin. So value of this coin is 2 rupees, or you can call it as denomination of the coin is 2 rupees. Here, this is the 5 rupees coin, and 5 rupees currency we also have. Children, these are some coins. This is a 1 rupee coin, and the value of this coin is 1 rupees, which is written on the coin only, and this is the symbol of Indian rupees. And this is a 2 rupees coin, and the value or the denomination of this coin is 2 rupees, which is also written on the coin. This is a 5 rupees coin, and we are also having 5 rupees note, and both are having the value 5 rupees. Here we are having a 10 rupees coin, and we can also have 10 rupees note, and both are having the value 10 rupees. Here we are having some notes. Tell me, children, which is this note? This is the note of 20 rupees, and the value of denomination of this currency note is 20 rupees. This is 50 rupees note. So the value of this note is 50 rupees, and this is 100 rupees note, 100, 100 rupees. So tell me, the value of this note is 100 rupees. Children, this is 200 rupees note. So tell me the value. Yes, 200 rupees. This is 500 rupees note. And the value is the same, 500 rupees. And this is the 2000 rupees note, 2000, 2000, and the value of this note is 2000 rupees. Children, remember, you can see the value of this currency note or coin on the note or on the coin only with the symbol of Indian rupees. Here we will see how to calculate the total amount or total money which we are having. Here we are having two 20 rupees notes and one 1 rupee coin. Then tell me, children, how to calculate the total money. First, we have to see the value of the currency note and coins. Here 20 rupees note, 20 plus 20, that is 40, and 1 rupee note, the value is 1, that is equal to 41 rupees. Like that, my friend is having 150 rupees note, 110 rupees note, 1 5 rupees coin and 1 1 rupees coin. So tell me, children, how much money my friend has? Let us count. 50 plus 10 60 plus 5 65 and 1 66. Then the total money my friend has 66 rupees. So children, like that you can calculate any number of amount or money which you are having or you have to calculate. Children, Yash and Rama have come to their uncle's village with their mother. There is a fair today. When they left for the fair, their uncle gave them rupees 100 each to Yash and Rama. Then Rama went to Nandu Kaka's shop and asked for the change. Then Nandu Kaka gave her these all coins and notes in exchange of 100 rupees. So what do you mean by that? Means this is the change of 100 rupees. In the place of 100 rupees, she got 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 1 5 rupees coin, 120 and one more 20 rupees note with 150 rupees. These all together become 100 rupees. 50, 70, 90, 95 plus 5 more. That become 100 rupees. The change we will get after exchanging the bigger value note with the smaller value note. It's called as change. Now here we will see different type of change, or we can get or we can make any combination of 100 rupees with the different type of currency notes and coins. The first 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. Like that, 150 rupees coin, 220 rupees coin and 110 rupees coin together, it become 100 rupees. And the third way we can get the change of 100 rupees. Here we have taken 10 rupees coin. That's equal to 100 rupees. Like this, children, you can make any combination of coins and rupees of any number of value of note. Children, look at our shop. Here we are having a general shop. Here we are having different type of thing for sale. Ball, car, dolls, teddy bear. Even we are having bananas and milk. Here we pick up whatever we need and calculate their total price. Before leaving the shop, we place the amount in the box for money. Here we are having some children who came to shop from this general shop. Here first came John. John bought a ball and a car. And tell me, children, how many number of total rupees he will put in the box? First, let us see a cost of a ball and a car. Here, each ball costs 25 rupees and each car costs 60 rupees. So, we will take as 25 and 60. Then what we have to do? We have to make it together, or means addition. Then what is the total of 25 and 60? 85, means John put 85 rupees in the box. The amount after adding it become 85 rupees. Then Sony came. Sony bought a doll and a top. And then tell me, yes, we have to calculate their total price. Then what is the cost of a doll? Yes, 60 rupees each. So we will take 60 rupees. And a top. And what is the cost of a top? 10 rupees each. So we will take 10 rupees. And together means addition. It becomes 70 rupees. So she put 70 rupees in the box. Next come Devansh. Devansh came and bought 2 bananas and a glass of milk. Then what will be the total amount? Let us count. What is the cost of 2 bananas? Here they have given you the cost of 1 dozen banana, that is 36 rupees. 1 dozen means 12 bananas and the cost of 1 banana is equal to 3 rupees. Then how many bananas Devansh bought? 2. So we have to add 3 2 times. Means each banana costs 3 rupees. And what is the cost of a glass of a milk? 1 glass equal to 15 rupees. So we will add 15 rupees. Now we will add it together. Then it become 21 rupees. Then Devansh will put 21 rupees in the box. Now Pari came. Pari bought 1 notebook and 2 pencils. Then what will be the total amount? Pari has to put 1 notebook costs 20 rupees. 20 rupees plus 2 pencil cost. 1 pencil cost 7 rupees. See. And Pari bought 2 pencils. So we will add 2 times 7 plus 7. And now we will add it together. It become 34 rupees. Then Pari have to put 34 rupees in the box. Children, I hope you understood this concept of notes and coin. Now, we will meet you in the next video. Goodbye for now. Please, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel.